So shall we start with picking the pairs?
That's a good idea. Oh, Sri is supporting me today. Yeah, okay, we'll pick the pairs. So
Griff
just
will
to
be
confirm,
victorious.
it's all of the JPY pairs, right? I remember we did
Yeah.
AU, I remember we did EU, and GU was the first one we did, I think, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yep. Mhm.
I'm calling NJ.
NJ. I think it's gonna be EJ.
Will you guys be taking sweeps? I think I will.
Oh, good question.
That is a good
and good-
question.
That's the question.
Maybe if it's really high probability, but I don't know if they work
Yeah.
out on JPY pairs. I haven't backtested it.
Has Marko
Gonna
hiding
see.
some secret data?
Oh. All right, I'll share my screen.
Hello, Tom.
Hey guys.
Tom says go Nico.
Yeah. More people should say go Nico.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna choose the pair first. One of the JPY pairs.
Yep, let's do it.
Oh, Marko, did you bet on AJ? No,
Nope.
you didn't put any bet. Well,
I
Nico and I are
didn't put a
both
bet.
wrong.
AJ. Oh,
AJ.
AJ.
I like that.
AJ is good.
Okay, AJ, good.
I like AJ. Jordan,
I like
what's
AJ
up?
too.
Jordan will be testing alongside of us. Nice.
Ah, that's
So Jordan,
cool.
after you finish, just put down how much you made, which trade, not which trades you took, but how many trades.
Yeah, no cheating.
2023. Is it gonna be January?
Oh, no, oh.
Oh, if it's January, that's too OP.
I
I mean, there's a 1 in 12 chance, so let's hope it's not. I don't like it when it's 2023 because that's that's got the best. Like we'll be able to recall it the most easily, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
Oh no.
No way. Okay, well we know this month very well.
Now people will think this is fixed.
Yeah, now this one's going on YouTube and we're gonna look real good.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. AJ, January 2023.
Yeah, AJ
Yep.
January 2023. That's gonna be really fun. Especially for people that may not know about the legends of January 2023 JPY pairs.
Mark says to spin again.
No, it's been randomized, not fixed.
Griff hacked the system, so.
Oh wait, I'm not sharing my screen yet.
You gotta be very careful not to see any price action.
January.
My screen live? Yep.
Okay, so it starts on Monday, January 2nd.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for anyone that hasn't tuned into one of these before, let me send a little picture. You're actually able to watch all 3 streams at once by pressing this button, I believe. Hey Gork, good to have you.
Oh, Gok.
Yeah, so I've sent a little
Nice.
screenshot. If you click the little eyeball, you can watch multiple streams at once. I'm gonna before we get started, I need to take screenshots of who's voted for who. So if anyone watches Oh, Yosef hasn't voted yet. Okay, so in the announcements channel in Discord, you can see Nico's post on the 19th of May, and you simply you can vote for who you think's going to win by reacting with the emoji of our profile picture. So maybe we'll give them a few minutes to do some votes.
I'll copy the message link in the chat. Easier.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I think I'm going to be taking sweeps to make it a bit more interesting.
This is going to be an interesting one because I think we all remember this year like pretty well.
Yeah. Yeah, random
the thing
pair.
is,
So
we remember maybe 2 or 3 setups, right? I mean, we're probably all gonna take them, but then I mean, yeah, the difference is gonna be made in like not those 3 setups, right?
But I might just go crazy with like 1 pip stop loss.
who's Mario?
Mario
I mean, that's
is
kind
gonna
of
win.
unfair because AJ has like a 1 pip spread, so that would mean like a loss on every trade.
Okay, so I've given you a moment to cast your final votes. I'm going to take some screenshots so they cannot be changed based off of our performance.
AJ pretty consistent price action, nice continuations plus sweeps too. Yeah, I haven't checked out the sweeps on the Aussie Japanese yen. Maybe you have some data on it if you want to share. I think the
Send me a
problem
DM
with
if you have data. Don't say it publicly. They cannot know. Tell me.
yeah, just DM me the January 2023 data. But basically, the problem with the JPY pairs is that they are really volatile. So very wicky, unpredictable, and they kind of tend to stop you out. So you need to have a big stop loss. That's why the liquidity sweep works better on the dollar pairs because the volatility is a bit less and the moves are a bit slower, I would say. Not as erratic. Okay, so Josef said that he voted. Shall we take the screenshot?
Oh, yep. Let me take some more because I just took them.
Sure. This time I'm supporting Griff. I switched parties from Marko to Griff this time. Okay. Okay, traitor.
That's fine.
So-
Next month you will end up with Nico and you'll win. So
Yeah, next one.
it's a process.
Next up is Nico.
I just need to win one because I haven't won one since the beginning.
It's been very close sometimes.
Yeah, it is very close. It's been, I think, every month. Maybe not the first one, but month 2 and 3 were pretty close, I believe.
Yeah, first one I was really bad on GU.
You gotta warm up to it.
You know what? What if we at the end of month 6 add up like all the results and have like an extra prize of like the consistency or like the winner overall? Maybe I'll win that. Maybe.
That would be cool to see.
You disappointed me last time, Nico, so I switched to Griff.
Yeah, it's fine. No offense taken.
I did. Nico and I both lost to Marko last time. Marko's on a win streak.
Hopefully,
Yeah, we
hopefully
do
it
trade
continues.
internal reversal on AJ GOG. We do.
Yeah, yeah.
On every pair. Yeah, on every pair we do.
Shall we go for it, guys?
Yep. We can start.
All
Go.
right. So it
Let's
looks like
go. Let's go.
we're descending right off the bat. Am I at the same time as you?
Yeah, Griff, last time we took a big winner, but it was right before.
It was before. That was
Nico
so
spotted your
annoying.
cheating habits. So
Yeah, I would have won if not for your perceptive skills. I've got itchy fingers already. I'm trying to be more conservative this time. Are you guys going for a similar approach?
yeah. Less trades. Mm-hmm.
It was a good trade right off the bat. I think. Do you guys ever get tempted to go crazy and take lots of trades in the backtesting battles?
I think on the first one I took a lot of setups.
Yeah. I feel like Nico is somewhere in between the spectrum of Marko's conservative approach and my very hyper-aggressive approach in these backtesting battles anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking of switching it all up and take like 50 trades this month. My strategy clearly hasn't been working very well. I didn't win all 3 times.
This is tempting.
Small though. 13 pip stop loss is pretty small in January
Yeah, you're right.
2022.
I think that's how we hit the huge
Yeah.
profit, I guess.
100%.
Oof. Oh, no. No way. Missed me like by a pip.
We're on the same trade, Nico. The reversal.
Yeah.
I decided to do that one as well. Because I think we both had the same reaction at the same time, where it's like,
That's
ooh, that's a small stop
that's not very
loss.
conservative though.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, Tom, I'm rushing a bit.
Marko always goes very fast.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that reversal would have been nice.
Do we get this recording? Yeah, Jackson. So it's gonna be recorded and it's gonna be posted on the Zentum YouTube channel.
But it's only from my perspective, unfortunately.
Yeah, but that's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. They can view all of it, right? You have it. Oh no, you have your screen share only. Yeah.
Ooh. I remember this trade, but I think it lost.
Continuation or?
Yeah, the continuation. Oof.
No, it won, Griff. It won.
What date are you both on?
The 5th.
I am
Me
on
too.
the 6th.
Okay, we're around the same place then. I'm on the 5th.
Marko slowed down.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should catch up.
No, it's fine. I'm taking my time. So
Oof.
tempted to just take YOLO trades.
I know. Oh.
So you guys had your order on for the reversal on the 3rd, right?
Yeah. I don't
Yeah,
think I'd take it normally because there's not much of a descending.
I think we didn't have it in live markets.
No. And I still wouldn't have it on, to be honest with. For whatever reason, you know, when you have like nice larger descending and then a failed internal reversal, I don't know if you guys took that one. Sometimes price does reverse afterwards, which is what happened now, but not really something I have in my plan yet.
I was so tempted to take an entry right here.
Oof, that's so small. Holy. Can I just do it? What do you think, guys? Should I just do it?
Yes.
Right,
Keep missing those trades, Griff. Oof.
Oh no.
It's fine. I know there's a 30%er coming up. I obviously don't remember this month too well. When was the EJ reversal? It was like 15th or something.
Yeah,
8th?
I think so. Mm-hmm.
Got that correlation in mind.
Ah. No, Griff, it was on the 10th. So you should go short on the 10th of January.
The temptation to take trades is because it's so easy to just put on a risk reward tool, I think.
Yeah, but if you would have if you know your live money's on the line, you would think twice.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is tricky.
Sri says that we should put $100 in free live accounts and then do the battle.
That doesn't sound fun to me, Suri. I don't mind doing it if it's your $100.
But we can only trade crypto because on Sunday the market's closed.
Oh, true. I had a funny idea where we all share live trading in a demo account. So maybe we get a 100k demo account and we all have the credentials to it, the three of us. And then we maybe can scalp for 1 hour all together.
So like do a live session?
Yeah, like a live scalping session. But we're all
Cool.
trading the same account. So it's a teamwork, you know.
Teamwork. Yeah, that could be interesting.
Yeah, but then the thing is, who are you blaming if the account goes bust?
Well, we'll be aware of who's taking which positions to some extent, unless we could take like 30 each. I don't know. But we do a demo account, of course.
How are you guys? How's your results been? Because my results haven't been very good. To be
I've not
honest.
hit a winner yet. I've got 3
If you
losses.
haven't hit a winner.
No. Well, I'm on the 13th at the moment.
Okay.
I'm trying to be more patient.
So are you guys taking sweeps or no?
Yeah, I am. But just like really good ones. Oh.
I've taken 2 sweeps, right? And they both came to a couple of pips of TP and then reversed on me a lot. So annoying.
Which stop loss did you use?
30 pips.
30?
Yeah.
I think I used 25. Yeah. I had to use 12, but it looked extremely tiny.
Yeah, the thing is, I have no idea what stop loss to use on AJ sweeps because I've never tested them. So I have no idea what works. But yeah.
Yeah, well, 30 is a good number, I would say. Just visually looking at it.
Yeah, but my visuals are letting me down. Because I haven't had a winner either, so.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I just hit a nice trade. Anyone watching me?
Remember, Griff said in the beginning of the call he's going to be conservative this time, right?
Well, you know, a little bit.
I'm reading some warning stuff in the chat. Let me watch Griff's stream. I need some ideas.
Something's happening over here,
Need
guys.
some signals.
What is happening?
I think I remember like 1 week's worth of price action.
Griff, if we make some crazy percentage and if we put it in the Discord, people are gonna think we're some sort of scammers.
It's insane how unlucky I am with sweeps right now. Oh my goodness. This makes me rage quit. Makes me want to rage quit trading.
You wanna rage quit, Nico?
Well, not yet, but maybe soon. If I hit one more sweep that like misses my TB for a couple of pips and then reverses on me, I may rage quit.
I'm currently in 4 positions.
That's so
4
conservative.
positions.
Well done.
What?
We should double check his results though, because you know, Griff, if he doesn't cheat,
Yeah.
he miscounts the percentage. So
Griffith probably executed on NFP or like 8 p.m. Friday, something like that. Griff has 10
I'm
positions.
going in pretty crazy right now. I've just opened my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th position.
7th position.
Was I tagged out right there?
Jesus.
Sunday.
Okay, there's a loss. There's a loss. Are you guys around that time yet?
Yeah. To be honest, I was just waiting for the two big ones. That's it from me. Also, here is a -1. -1.
Okay, I think I'll start closing positions now.
Annoying.
Five. This is a crazy month. Yeah, January was really crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna add these up.
$32. $32. What did Griff do? Griff, what did you do?
Magic. I honestly regret not using smaller stop losses.
Did you come to those two big ones yet?
Yes.
You did?
Yeah. But I turned them into like 8 big ones.
You turned them into 8 big ones.
So guys, this is the Zentum trading strategy. If you're interested in making, you know, 1,000,000% a month. Some people actually do this though, and then they sell their course, which is crazy. They just straight up backtest, you know, periods that they have studied.
Well, now we can do it as well.
Exactly. I don't think I need to put on any more trades. This will be a funny announcement to put in the Discord.
Yeah.
Like the results for this backtesting battle, everyone's going to be like, "What happened?"
Yeah, I'm done.
Nice.
taken a sweep here. Yeah, but even trading this live, it was crazy to watch. It was really crazy to watch. Three.
I finished as well, by the way.
Cool.
I'm on the 27th,
Nice.
which is 1 or 2 days away because weekend is coming as well. Oof.
Yeah, after we finish all of the 6 pairs, we can add everything up.
Sounds good.
So Jordan did his backtesting as well. Oh, really good results. Damn. It's really nice.
Nice. That's
Flag
fantastic.
on the 4th.
What?
4th of January. Which flag was that?
Well done, Jordan.
Yeah, I want to find that flag.
Assuming you didn't go YOLO like Griff did, those are
Yeah,
amazing
no,
results.
that's really impressive.
I can't see a flag.
Yeah, I cannot either. At 10 a.m. on the 4th.
Inside bar flag.
All right, I'm done as well.
Nice.
Cool. Okay. You mean like a flag plus, Jordan? But you need a outside bar. So basically,
Yeah.
you would need an inside bar, outside bar, and then a blue candle to be the entry candle.
Oh, I see the trade. Yeah, that's inside bar. Like, funnily enough, I did mention this once. I thought of kind of like, what do they call it? Like a wedge kind of
So
flag.
that's a different methodology.
Yeah,
Okay.
like an inside bar
That's
followed
nice.
by an inside bar and then an entry candle. Like that's potentially, like, I've seen those work out. Like that's a good, like, it's not a flag as the way we trade them, but I can see that being another kind of entry.
Oh, nice. Yeah, like a wedge. I remember those. Ah. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to look into those. It's very interesting.
I'll watch. You finish first, right, Marko?
Yeah, I can go first.
Sure.
I can go first.
I'm watching your stream now.
Sure. So first trade was this sweep right here. So what are all of the confluences for me? Like a shift in momentum liquidity, large range liquidity. You can see price ranging here, major high takeout. And then we have also a very nice takeout of this liquidity area, very nice liquidity sweep candle. I really like the huge wick. 25 pip stop loss and 3 to 1 just tapped the take profit and then basically reversed completely. So this was a nice trade. Next one is the one I think we all took, which is this one. We also took it live. Aussie Japanese yen. What did I see? Well, I saw a V reversal, not the cleanest V reversal, but I know that Aussie Japanese yen can sometimes get an ascending and then impulse out as well. So per price action was okay, not the best, nothing to write home about, but it was good. What I really liked was this push right here, nice clean close here, pullback, absolutely zero selling pressure, and then price continues with 2 candles. Right here, nice close on the top, not really a big wick. At that point, I set my order for a break and retest. So just by looking at this alone, even if prior price action was pretty crappy, this would be worth taking in my book. And because prior price action is looking all right with the potential V reversal and the ascending, this was a very nice setup. Then took a scale in right here. So basically price is heavily trending up. If I can just do this. Price is heavily trending up. And then you get just the one candle pullback. It's bullish, so zero selling pressure. Price continues with one candle, and then I did set the orders. So this was worth taking because of the price action. Price action was extremely trending. When you see that sort of an uptrend, you definitely want to be more aggressive with the break and retest setups because it definitely pays, even with the small break. So yes, the break was really small, but the price action was heavily trending, so it was worth taking. And then we have this flag right here on the top. Again, same story. Price is in a heavy uptrend. 23rd of January. Let me check out that one. This one. 23rd.
He's saying that the flag formed during spread hours.
The flag. This one. So this is London time. This would have closed
just
at
before.
Yeah.
Personally, I do it a bit differently to you, Marko. I don't trade flags. Like, if you know how we enter at the very end of the hour, just before spread hours at like 9 p.m. So I would have entered the 11 p.m. open candle. I did that live. But yeah, this approach works well as well. The reason I do that is just so that I can.
Lower?
Yeah, it's often a bit lower because you get to avoid spread hours, which is a good thing, and you often enter around the same price. That's just how I do
so
it.
for me, I think I took it on this candle live, but waiting for spread hours to finish, like you did, Griff, was a better option, I would say.
Barely.
I do the same thing as Griff as well. So I wait for spread hours to finish, and then if price at a better price, you just market execute, which indeed, like in this scenario, you would be a couple of pips. You would enter a couple of pips in a better price, which I did live as well.
Nice, cool. So yeah, that's about it. Very tight, small flag, price action, heavy uptrend, definitely worth taking 100%. And that's it. So the cumulative is 42.29%.
Wow, nice.
That's what Griff made on 2 trades. Marko, good job.
No, we did that in real life. Yeah, it was Gork. We all took these trades.
Okay.
All right, you want me to go next, Griff, so you can keep your massive trades for the last?
If you like.
What the
if
hell
I see
did you
you
do?
trades and I see you have 150%, I'll be demotivated to go for mine. So
yeah, no, that's fair enough.
All right, I think my stream is still running.
Yeah, I'm watching it now. Wow.
Hide this.
Nico.
Okay. All right, you guys can see my screen?
Yep.
All right, so I started with a nice internal reversal. Happened on the 3rd of January. I would take it live as well. Pretty good trade. Nice descending, push down, shift back up. Unfortunately, was a quick loser. Then I had my order on here as well for the reversal. Not really something I would take live, just for the fun of the challenge, being more aggressive. But even with having it 1 pip above, you would still come 1.2 pips short, so that didn't tag me in. Price continued. Took the same sweep as Marko over here. You had a nice little range forming. Price came into it, rejected, entered with a 30 pip stop loss and 3R target. Price just missed me by a couple of pips. So unfortunately, this was a loser, minus 1%. Took another sweep up here. Didn't take it on this candle. Didn't take it on this candle because I would have liked a bit of a deeper sweep, considering it was also Monday morning Asian session. So everything that happens in there is not really high probable. So wait for deeper sweeps on this candle. Fortunately, was a quick loser as well. And then I was like, okay, I'm starting to see some sort of an uptrend. So maybe directional sweeps could be playing out. So you cannot really see it, but there's put the liquidity area under this range here. Price tapped into it very shallowly, but I'm a bit more aggressive on directional sweeps. So I took that one as well. Same scenario, price went up, just missed my TP for a couple of pips, and went straight into stop loss again. So unfortunately, that's a loss as well. Continuing on, took another sweep, which again, this was a nice area. Directional sweep as well, technically because you have a nice little downtrend. Liquid the area above the range. Tapped into it, rejected. Excuse me. But then same scenario, went into a bit of a profit. 2R would have worked out, but yeah, 3R tapped me out. Price showed a massive V shape out of nowhere. Didn't get involved in anything. And then, funnily enough, that one big trade happened, and I missed it.
Oh no!
Oh shit!
Over it. So I was annoyed because I took like 5 losing trades in a row. I was just clicking over and not thinking clearly. And then I saw the setup form. I was like, wait, did I really just miss the setup? So then I just market executed on next candle with like in what 13 pip stop loss, 15 pip stop loss, yeah. Hoping to get involved and not get spiked out. And luckily for me, this one played out. But yeah, we'll continue going over it later. But yeah, obviously live I took the good setup, made bank on January 23 on my fund account, and then on in this channels I just completely skipped it. Funnily enough. Anyway, took a flag as a scale in here. Usually I don't take flags or any scale in if I don't have profit locked in, but for the sake of the challenge I did. Unfortunately got taken out by market open literally on Sunday. Otherwise it would have run as well, but it didn't. So -1% on this one as well. The other one, keep in mind, the first one is still running, right? Because I'm using the trailing stop strategy. Same scaling as Marko. Textbook scaling, took it live as well. Massive trend. One candle pullback, showing absolutely no momentum at all to the downside. And then after next candle breaks, my order's on, tagged in, and flew as well. So now I have 2 trades running, this one and the other one from the one I missed. And then live, I took a flag here as well. But, benefit of hindsight, I didn't want to take it on this challenge, But I set my order on here on the break and retest level, which did fly as well. Would I take it live? Probably not, because this candle here is pretty big, showing a massive shift. But if this candle was not there and price continued to descend to the break and retest line, that would be a good trade to take as well, considering it's scaling and we are in a massive uptrend. So this one I kept running as well. And then, yeah, they all broke the low up there. So both, all the 3 trades got taken out at a pretty big percentage. And then took a sweep here. I think the 4th sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4 sweeps. So the 4th sweep finally paid out, recovering for the couple of losses I took earlier in the month. Got lucky twice because price did came to stop loss pretty close twice, but eventually hit TP, and yeah, that's it.
Nice.
So
Nice.
Yeah,
in
really good
total,
trades.
Yep. Interesting sweeps as well. I was looking at that sweep, but I just wanted a bigger break, the last one. I wanted like a 3 pip break. I think it was 2 pips.
Yeah, 2.8. Just missed the 3 pip mark.
Yeah.
I mean, the sweeps I took weren't that bad, to be honest. With it, if my stop loss was a bit smaller, or I did hit a target a 2R instead of a 3R, I think all of them would have won. Like
Mhm.
literally, I think all of them hit 2R. So with a 2R, yeah, this one hit 2R. I think this one hit 2R as well.
Yeah, but the last one would be a loss with a 25 pip stop loss, for example.
Yeah, with the 25, yeah, but with the 30, if I targeted 2R like I do on my live accounts, 2R on the sweeps, I think they would have a 100% strike rate. Yeah, here as well. 2R would have hit as well.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Interesting.
that doesn't
Yeah.
work. Hindsight doesn't work. So yeah, total
You have a
38%.
question? Oh,
Nice.
sorry.
38.63.
Well done.
Question,
Nice.
Nico. Why do you enter a scale positions while you still have no profit on the first entry? 20th, this one, right? Yeah. Well, live I don't. I wait for having some profit logged in before going in for a scale in. But for the fun and the sake of the challenge, I was, what, this flag looks good. I'm taking it. Because it also happened on like at 6, 7 p.m. on a Friday, and that's way past my cutoff time as well. So that's another reason why I wouldn't take it live, because usually Friday afternoon, it's usually pretty range bound coming to the weekend. So you don't really want to expose yourself to gaps and spread widenings just before the weekend, because chances are price will be close to your entry level a couple of hours later at the close. So yeah, no, you should avoid taking setups close to Friday cutoff time. Yeah, 38%, 63%. Good month. Obviously a bit biased, a bit hindsight helps in these challenges, but yeah, it
Yeah,
was
but we
still
took it
live.
live.
Was
So.
still, what?
Oh, we took it live, so
Yeah, we took. I think at least 2 trades we took live. So
Over 30% live.
35% live was achieved last
yep.
year in January. So that's very good. It's amazing, to be honest. That's literally an amazing month live.
That's a yearly return, basically. We don't need any
Yeah.
more trades after that for the whole year. Can take a year off. Job done.
Yeah. Now for Griff's 600 R per month premium strategy.
I'll share.
Let's go,
You can see I'm already showing my screen, right?
Let's crush our dreams, Griff.
So I took the same internal reversal as you, Nico. Looked good. And then I took a backwards flag.
Oh yeah, I remember talking about them last time as well, the backward flags.
And then, because I was pretty convinced, I couldn't remember properly, but I felt like price reverses at this point. Like this sweep looked really good, but I wasn't super confident in it because I'd lost here, so I skipped it. And then it went down, and then I took the flag hoping to get involved in the move, which I predicted over here. But yeah, you guys took one position, and it worked. That was good. And then going over here a little bit, I took, I remembered a V and a range and a push up. So I took, like when I actually set, like I had an order here for a minute and then I was like, ooh, I could get tagged out. So what I decided was I would wait for price to break this level, and it never did. Because I clicked a bit quick. I wanted to enter around here, but then it was too late. So I was like, okay, I'm going to look for like a sweep of this zone. But the price never came back. So I looked for a retest kind of entry off of just this area, like after this candle. I like entering buys after we get a big strong candle down. It seems to work out quite often. And then right here, I was like, right, I know that with the January trades, price did this. So I was like, I know I've got to be closing this off soon. So I closed it right here, which happened to be perfect. And then I was like, and then I saw this shift down. So I was like, boom, there's the top of the V. And so I took a short and I closed this right here. And at this moment, I was like, okay, it looks like price is starting to reverse. And I was foreseeing in January when this started happening. So I took a buy here with a pretty large stop loss. Here are the other trades. So I took a buy here with like a 40 pip stop loss and I held it right to the top. Let me move these out the way. The way Nico had his presented was much better.
If you're gonna get our community blacklisted, this doesn't look good.
And then the continuation, the legendary continuation, I also missed it, Nico. And I had a feeling that the drawdown was quite deep. Like it nearly hit drawdown. Like if you had the pending order here, but I think that was actually EJ. So my plan was to wait for the deep drawdown and then enter with like a 2 pip stop loss. But then that was actually EJ. This one tapped you in perfectly. So then I just market executed here with like a stop loss at the wick. And then I just started taking buys all the way up. So I took a random buy here with a stop loss under the wick. I took a buy here with a stop loss just like down here, because I remembered we kind of ranged around a bit, and then we broke the high, and I took another buy with my stop loss kind of below this range, and then took the scale in, which actually made a lot because we're using such a small stop loss. And then I just took another buy. I didn't have a particular reason for that one. And then I remembered this flag failed, so I didn't enter where I did in the original live at about 11 p.m. And I waited for it to break like once more the low and then an entry candle. But it actually comes back even further. So Nico was right to have a pending order here. So I did end up taking a loss there. But yeah, with all these trades, I made 93%.
Congrats, Griff. That's really good.
I'm sorry.
It's a good thing I went before you, because I wouldn't find the motivation to go over my trade after
No.
seeing your your 25 trades.
But of course, you
Nice.
know,
Good job.
we both,
Marko,
you
I'll
guys
leave you
traded
at
like
verifying the results.
realistically.
I don't want to count.
You guys did really good, and I like obviously I feel like I've cheated a little bit because I remembered what happened. I just remembered this price action pretty well, which is a bit unfair really, but I hope you know it was entertaining, I guess.
That's okay. Yeah, this is all about entertainment. It's not
Yeah.
really about being super precise. So
Yeah, but you
it's completely
guys like
fine.
if you're gonna study any trades after this and look up to anyone, it's Marko and Nico. They're the ones that actually performed like professionally here, and
Yeah, Griff,
I did not.
can you just go through the two big ones that we actually took, so people can focus on
Yeah,
the ones
let
to
me
study.
delete. So the trades we actually took were the continuation, not here. Here.
Yeah.
I remember at the time a few people actually didn't take this because it was going against the larger V.
Yeah.
But the way that I think we saw it was it kind of broken the neckline. So we're not really expecting if we're expecting a range, it's up here. At this point, I'm not really putting any weight on the V. And then we started to see momentum build to the upside. We had a 2-candle break, tiny pullback, and then another 2-candle break. I would have even been a bit cautious if there was a 1-candle break here. But then, yeah, price came back really, really nicely. Like, those pullback candles are beautiful. And we got tapped in, like, perfectly on the retest. And then it continued up, up, up. Had a range. And then we got a scale-in position right here, where we had a beautiful pullback candle with the trend. I know that this break looks very small, but considering the pullback candle, I think we're really willing to tolerate a tiny break like this. These pullback candles are so good when we're in a trend and we've got a pullback candle with the trend like this. They just work out really well on AJ, EJ, a lot of the pairs, really, maybe all of them. I don't know. Would you guys take this kind of position on EU? Maybe it's a little bit aggressive on EU.
Well, per price action is really, really good.
Yeah.
Really
Considering
good.
per price action, I would take it.
Yeah.
It's super nice.
Yeah.
And then we got a flag where you can enter here just before spread hours, or you can enter here just after spread hours. But this would have taken you out. But yeah, this flag is super nice. I'd probably take it even if it wasn't a scale-in. There was a bit of a wick, so at this point I would be hesitant. I would want more of a range, but then spread hours kind of gave me that range, and then we got, you know, enter at the open of the 11 p.m. candle. This looks quite good. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. 100%. Congrats, Griff. Really, really good results.
Yeah.
Thanks.
This was the period, if some people are wondering, that where Griff and I got on the FTMO leaderboards. This was the month, January 2023, and these two trades were two of the trades we took, coupled with one or two on EJ as well, which went flying, which made us in total around between, like, what I think live we made about 60 to 90% each. Don't remember the exact percentage anymore, but it was around, it was more than 70 up to 90% on our live accounts, which is
uncompounded as well. Yeah.
Uncompounded, yeah.
I'll spin the wheel Marko and Nico, can I have your results to write down on my notepad, please?
Yep, sure. Mine is 42.29.
Thank you.
Mine is 38.63.
Thank you.
So Jackson asks, how much general scale and trade do we need to take usually? I'm not sure what you meant exactly with the question, but a scale and trade is just a trade that you take when you're already in a trade. So you can possibly be a bit more aggressive if you want. Again, it's completely up to you. But usually when you already take a trade and another opportunity presents itself, there's always going to be like a very strong trend prior to that scaling. So that's what makes the trade even better, I would say. That's what makes the scaling even better.
I'm just writing down people's names.
Yep, sure. Guys, do you have any questions? We can cover them now. Anything prop firm related, trading related, technicals, strategies. Yeah, definitely be careful. Nico, you want to tell them about Alpha Capital?
Yeah, so today I requested a payout. Not today. Last week I requested a payout with Alpha Capital, and it got rejected today because of their news rule. So previously they had a news rule. I mean, they have a news rule where any trades closed or opened in between a 2-minute time window before and after a high impact news event is deducted, which I knew, but they had a what's it called, an exception to the rule where when you open a trade 1 hour before news, um, that rule doesn't apply anymore. So if you open a trade 1 or 2 hours before, let's say NFP, and then your TP gets hit during NFP, the profit would count. But that exception to the rule got removed around a month ago, and I didn't know about it, right? So they announced it in the Discord. I probably didn't check Discord enough in the announcement, so I missed that announcement. And unfortunately, it got rejected today, and then they deduct my profits, which is fine. But the annoying thing is, you have to wait another 2 weeks to request that same profit split again, right? So they don't pay you out what they owe you minus what they deduct. They just reject it, deduct the profits, and say, okay, you can request again in 2 weeks. So just heads up to you guys that do trade with Alpha Capital and that did not know about the exception to the rule removal. So don't be surprised, or if your payout gets rejected, or just be extra careful with news. Yeah, nothing. I mean, it's not a hard breach. They don't take your account away. They just deduct the profits plus they don't pay out on the date they should. They just tell you to request payout again on the next payout date or withdrawal date.
Another not news rule, but another rule changed recently was Funded Engineer introducing a 3-day minimum. I don't know if you guys saw that. The 3-day minimum, you can't micro lot it anymore. You have to trade normally. So even if you hit the profit target and you haven't hit you have to take another regular trade and hope that it wins, I guess.
Yeah, that's what happened to me with Traders with Edge. I basically made like $1,000, and then I did micro lots to pass the rest of the minimum trading days, and then they said that all of my lot sizes need to be of a similar size, right? So they just removed my account, blocked me, and that was the end of the game. So it looks like that's gonna be like a standard rule now.
Right, shall I spin
But
this wheel?
Yeah, yep.
Okay, so there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, that's correct. 15 people that voted for Griff, and one of them will get either 1 free month or a 1-month extension if they already have a subscription. Let's see who's won. Maybe they're watching.
Lover
Kid _ I don't think they're on the stream. No, but congratulations.
I haven't seen them, yeah.
Yeah, we'll reach out to them and we'll give them a free month subscription to Zentum. Nice.
Yep.
I'll write that down so I don't forget.
Sure.
So there's only 2 more pairs left, and then we've gone through all 6.
Yep.
Exciting.
What is it? EJ and NJ, right? Yeah, EJ and NJ. Let's hope
then
EJ
maybe
will
when
not
we
be the same
finish.
month as
Yeah.
today.
So what did you say, Nico?
Well, hopefully EJ is not going to be January 2023.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Griff may outperform us again by times 5.
Better start
Yeah.
studying EJ 2023.
Yeah, we should have kind of just focused on maybe 2021, 22. Not sure. But yeah, this is.
But we might
this is
remember
good as
those
well.
too.
This is gonna be good for marketing, I'm guessing.
Maybe it'll be good. How far back does TradingView go?
2015.
Okay.
2016 now.
Yeah,
I think.
depending on the time frame though. On the 1 hour time frame, can you go back to 2015? That's pretty insane.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep.
It would be good
So we
if
could
we
do like
could
a random
backtest
month.
like the 70s or something.
70s. I'm not sure the liquidity would be there. You
Yeah.
need to have like massive gaps between candles.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we talked about maybe getting the community involved, so bringing some
Yeah.
people on that want to backtest with us, or doing something like that.
Against us. Ooh.
Join
Sorry?
the battle.
Yeah, or against us, not with us. I mean,
Yeah, against
technically,
us.
what's his name? Who was the guy that backtested as well? Jordan. Yeah, Jordan.
Mhm.
Like he outperformed me and Marko, so well done. Like
Yeah,
great.
yeah. Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, I can get on stream and do maybe a 1v1v1 v1v1v1, you know? Just throw an extra few ones in there.
Get
We're
some
gonna need
referees in because I don't trust you guys.
we're gonna need some guys to police everyone.
Yeah, we need everyone to be watched. Can't have too many
Yeah.
actually. Everyone needs to have a spectator.
Yeah.
Yosef is asking which prop firm are the best, FTMO and who else? Yeah, FTMO definitely. The Fivers up there as well. From there, it's a bit of a free game, I would say. You should stay with the biggest ones, even if you don't want to go with the Fivers. Stay with, let's say, yeah, hard to pinpoint one, but at least the 3-4 biggest prop firms, I would say, are the best, second to FTMO and the Fivers. But
Yeah.
FTMO and the Fivers for sure number 1.
And Darwinex is pretty nice.
Darnix as well. I think I'll open an account with Darnix as well next week.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm finally decided on it.
At the meetup, because you know I was saying how if you do a DarwinX account rather than a DarwinX 0, you get a 3-character ticker, and they said that there's only a few left. So if you open the account soon, you'll get a cool 3-character ticker.
Nice. So we can be an OG DarwinX user with a 3 tickers symbol.
I want to.
If you have 4,
do that.
Or
yeah, all DarwinX 0 users have 4 because they're like newer. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can migrate to a regular DarwinX account because that would be good.
Oh, okay. You're looking to send them your track record?
Well, I think I don't know how much track record I need, but I'm gonna reach out to them about it because that would be good. You can definitely do it, Marko, if you wanted to. Have you started DarwinX 0 already?
Yep, I did. But I can open up a classic account alongside of it, I'm guessing. Not sure.
Yeah, both work the same, to be honest.
Yeah, yep. Joseph asks, how was your experience at the DarwinX meetup?
It was good. There were lots of interesting people there, lots of good traders actually. There were a few people I was speaking to and I was like, damn, you know your stuff, you know, and not all of them are like on social media. So it was interesting to talk to them.
Nice.
And then the DarwinX team were really friendly. There was free food and drink, and it was in a cool location at Canary Wharf, so I could see JP Morgan's skyscraper over there and Citibank over here and HSBC. So I was thinking maybe I can see one of them, what trades they're taking over there, and I could go in the opposite direction. Or no, it was in the same direction.
That's why you made
90%. Location.
Yeah, it was cool. I enjoyed it.
Hmm.
Will there be Zentum merchandise? I think Nico, do you have some already?
Yeah, no, I haven't finalized anything, but I was looking at it quite frequently about, like, you know, maybe getting some, you know, basic Zentum mugs, or Zentum mouse mat, some fun stuff like
Car
that.
stickers.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. We can make some for sure. It's gonna
That'd
be a
be
nice
super
little.
cool.
That would be nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that would be cool. That would be cool.
I don't think we'll make Zentum
Sorry?
jackets and t-shirts and some nice little stuff would be nice.
Yeah. When are we doing a face-to-face meetup? Yeah, we're definitely discussing at the end of the year, possibly. We want to get some more members, but I think end of the year could be a good time to do it.
Definitely. We'd probably
Yep.
be doing it in London. I don't know how many of you are based in London, but I feel like there's probably more. UK is pretty accessible for a lot of people.
Yeah, I think most of our members are going to come from the UK.
Thanks for the questions.
Manchester.
All right. So if anyone does, if the questions are, nobody has any other questions, we can wrap it up.
Yep.
I had fun. Thank you both. Thank you all.
Yeah, this was really fun.
You had fun, Griff.
Congratulations to Griff.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Loverboy as well.
Yeah.
Good job.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, see you soon. Thank you all for joining us.
See you in Discord.
Have a good
Ciao,
weekend.
ciao.
Goodbye.